So guys, for the first step on the top, you want to click on playback. Now you want to select timeline playback resolution, hover over this. You want to select half. Next on the top, click on playback. Make sure you have use optimized media if available ticked. Next, you want to find your media. You want to right click on it and then click on generate optimized media. Now you want to right click on your video again and then click on proxy media and then click on generate proxy media. Next, you want to go to playback and then click on proxy handling and then click on prefer proxies. Next, click on playback and then click on render cache and then click on smart. Next, if you edit your videos in 4K resolution, in the bottom right, click on settings. If your timeline resolution is set in 4K, you want to make it 1080p. So select 1920 by 1080. You can still export your video in 4K, but you're just going to make this screen right here 1080p because there's no point of making your computer work harder just to display 4K while you're editing. But when you export, you can export in 4K. So click on save. Next, in the top left, click on DaVinci Resolve and then click on preferences. Click on memory and GPU and then go to system. You want to untick both these boxes. Set your GPU processing mode to CUDA and make sure that you have your graphics card ticked. Tick your graphics card. If there are any more graphics cards here that you don't use, you want to untick them. And then click on save. By the way, you can actually experiment with both CUDA and with OpenCL. But I'm going to go with CUDA and then click on save. And then click on OK. Next, in the top left, click on DaVinci Resolve and then click on check for updates. Make sure that DaVinci Resolve is up to date. Now, just restart DaVinci Resolve and then the problem should be fixed.